Today, I'm making a no-bake blueberry cheesecake. It has a buttery biscuit base, a smooth and creamy cream cheese filling, and a homemade blueberry topping. It's easy to prepare, requires no baking, and is a great dessert for any occasion. So you can see the creamy texture and the beautiful layers inside. First, I grab some crushed biscuits and pour in melted butter. Mix, mix, mix until every crumb is coated. You want it to look like wet sand. Next, I pour the biscuit mixture into a cake ring. Then I press it down really well. Don't be shy. Press it like it owes you money. We want a nice, firm base. Into the fridge it goes for a little nap while we make the filling. Now for the creamy magic. I add cream cheese to a bowl, then a splash of vanilla extract. Mix everything until it's silky smooth. No lumps allowed. In another bowl, I whip the heavy cream until it's light and fluffy. Then I gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture. Slowly, carefully. Don't rush it. Once it's perfectly combined, I pour the filling over the chilled biscuit base. Then I spread it nice and evenly. Smooth, smooth, just like that. Back into the fridge, it goes for at least 30 minutes. Now it's time for my favorite part. The blueberry topping. Into a pan go fresh blueberries, followed by some sugar. As they start to heat up, listen to that. Sizzle, pop. They soften and release all these beautiful juices. Now I add lemon-flavored gelatin that I've already dissolved in warm water. Give everything one final stir and let it cook for just another minute. Then take it off the heat and let it cool completely. Patience. If it's too hot, it'll melt our beautiful cheesecake. And nobody wants cheesecake soup. Once the blueberry mixture is cool, I gently pour it over the chilled cheesecake. Spread it evenly from edge to edge. Look at that color, absolutely gorgeous. Now comes the hardest part of the whole recipe, waiting. Into the fridge, it goes for at least 4 hours, or even overnight if you can resist. And finally, it's ready. Remove the cake ring, slice it carefully, and just look at those layers. Creamy cheesecake, sweet blueberry topping, buttery biscuit base. Every bite is smooth, fresh, and packed with blueberry flavor. Trust me, once you make this cheesecake, you'll be looking for excuses to make it again. Enjoy.